guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, as you guys can see on the thumbnail, I'm going to unbox the August and October Boxycharm, and then I'm going to add on the one I bought for their drop sale, because when I did a monthly subscription for their for them for the first time, they didn't give me the free gift, and otherwise they gave me a $12 credit to spend to their drop sale, and I did use that money. And then aside from Boxycharm stuff here, I'm going to unboxing one of the influencer that I've got too. So if you guys are interested for this kind of unboxing, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Princess, and I do makeup reviews, skincare reviews, and particularly beauty stuff. So let's go started to unbox these boxes, because I couldn't wait to use these products in here. So first of all, I'm going to start with this small box right here. This is the influencer Kilianxinfluenster, and I didn't know that this brand until they sent me this box. It is a perfume that you can buy at Sephora, and I think it is available now. And this is how it looks like here, and it is really fancy box unboxing thing. And I already took it off the plastic of this one, so this is how it looks like. It is 1.7 fluid ounces here. This is their Roses on Ice by Kilian, and you guys can see. So this is the product. It is really heavy and really strong scent, and it looks like a kind of very expensive bottle. And whenever I look at this, it reminds me of like expensive kind of drink, like alcohol drink. And this is how the thing. Now I'm going to show you guys the August Boxycharm that I've got. At first I got the premium box, which I thought is going to be the Rare Beauty. I didn't know they put that Rare Beauty in the Luxe, which is like higher tier of Boxycharm, because it does have a base, premium, and Luxe. And then I've got the metal part, which is like $35, and then plus tax around $38. So here it is, and here are the products. I haven't used any of this besides of these two right here. I just swatches them, and then I did use this one already on my lips. Go all out, and so this like kind of a summer box kind of for 2021. And then we have the Wishful, which is like kind of a skincare brand for Huda Beauties, kind of like that. And then this one is Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. It does have 1.94 ounces here, and this one, it retail manufacturer retail price, that's why I would say $49. And then the Vesca Beauty, which is this one, Moonlight Dream Cream Shadow. This is like $28. And then the Zoeva Powerful Lip Twist. It's like a kind of lip crayon. Why am I not showing to you guys? Why I'm just like saying what the heck are these? So here it is. As you guys can see, I already used it. So here it is. So perfect shade for fall. And then the Vesca. This is like kind of metallic cream eyeshadow. So here it is, and this is in the shade of Karina, I think. So it's like a tube instead of what do you call those, like the with the applicator in it. So it's just a tube. So here it is. These two are perfect to each other though. If you're gonna use that eyeshadow, and then the lips looks good. And then I'm just gonna let it dry. And then the next one product is this one, the Bumble, and this one is like Surf Styling Leave-In, and I think this is like kind of, what do you call this? Is this for hair? Yeah, this is like kind of maybe for frizzy hair on the fights freeze and the tangles. This one it is $30. So the next product is this one. This is the what is this? Locks Plus Willow. This is the Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. So you can use this one. It is, I think you put batteries on it. Yeah, it is water resistant, battery operated, compact design. This one, these are the La Rousse Beauty Face Disc. Basically these are like kind of my makeup eraser whenever you clean up your face, or instead of using a facial wipes or makeup wipes. So these are like reusable ones. So these are $24. So whenever you buy something on their website, their drop sale or mega drop sale, whatever sale they have in Boxycharm, they send it separately, but they are free shipping, I guess. So they put it right here, so just like a normal box. And then I've got this one. This is a Rima Undercover Lover. This makeup primer, so it's like a base primer. So this is how it looks like. And then it won't. Let's see. So it's like kind of clear gel. Doesn't have smell in it. So it's like kind of silicone-y base primer. This is the Ace Beauty Floral Vintage, and this is how it looks like. I've got this one like $9 in their sale, so it is very like affordable. And don't know how much is the regular price for this one, but you guys can see it is good for spring and fall because of the shades in here. This one, it is really a decent eyeshadow palette. So next I'm going to show you guys the base monthly box from October. I don't know why I didn't do like each videos for this once, because I'm not planning to unbox them in front of you guys, but I was like, might as well do a video all of this because they are sitting in my room and not using all of the products here. So I'm like, I need to unbox them so that I can use most of these products. So here are the products. And yeah, I canceled my subscription to them as soon as I know that I didn't like the other stuff in there, like the Rare Beauty. I didn't see that I've got Rare Beauty products on my first monthly box, so I canceled it. And then I came back to it like October, so I skipped September. So now it's October. Their theme is a Spellbound. So after I skipped that and I went back again as a base one, and they gave me another. This time they gave me a free gift. This one is the True Luxurious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlighter Palette. It is really big highlighter palette, and that's how it looks like. they are big, and then I'm not sure how many. So 6 times 0.13 ounces, so 0.13 ounces on each of these, so they are really big. This one, nice like blush highlighter, and this one, it looks nice, the Good Fortune. So I'm going to use this ones like in the future makeup looks. I don't know which one yet, so I'm just gonna do unboxing right now. And then the next one that I've got here is this Beauty Bakery. This is the Milk and Honey highlighter palette. So I've got 2 highlighter palettes that in this monthly subscription. So this one is like this, so yeah. So, and this one, it is $38 for retail price, so it is really nice. I'm not sure about how do I feel on this much highlighters on my new collections. I don't know which one I'm going to use first. The next one is this is the Julep makeup remover towelettes, and the retail price for this one is $20. I'm not sure how. It does have witch hazel in here. It's a strong scent, but it's okay. Isn't it weird that after I've got those reusable face wipes or makeup reusable wipes thing, I have this this remover wipes? Isn't it amazing? The next ones I have in here, this like kind of skincare, I guess. So it is a face serum. This is in Meline plus Quartz resurfacing face serum, and wow, this is really expensive. It is $70, and all of this stuff I have in here, this one, it is expensive. I don't know why. And this is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounces. Wow. And this is how it looks like. I'm not sure how is this for. Like exfoliating and brightening serum. It does have vitamin C in here, so I can only use this for like PM, and if I wanted to use this in the morning or daytime, I need to use SPF sunscreen. We'll see which one I'm going to use next. Like, we'll see. And then this one, this is the Laura Geller Sparkle Skin Perfecting Primer. So again, I have another primer. This is for hydrating. This is perfect for winter though. This one, it retails price is $32, and it does have 2 fluid ounces in here and 12 months when you open it, and it is made in Taiwan. We'll see how is this going to be. And lastly, I have this one right here. This is the Kinder, that's how you say it, KNDR Beauty Overnight Lip Mask, and the retail price for this one is $20. That's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys wanted to follow up on this products that I'm going to use in the future videos, so stay tuned and please subscribe. And that's it for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye until next time.